Besides hiring us, we are going to go through the best ways to outsource your course creation. We have 4 of them for you to help you get on the right track. And we have a gift that is our step-by-step process of how to do so.
Exactly. Johnny already talked about it. It's his free gift. You know, you're outsourcing course creation because you care about creating a course that is successful, brings the results that you're looking for. So if you want to make sure that you do that successfully and you want to learn how to do it in 90 days or less and save tens of thousands of dollars in the process, because we are demystifying the process. So you don't have to spend money and time guessing what works and what doesn't. It's already done for you. It's in this free masterclass.
Exactly.
That is below. Go check it
Now,
out.
our first recommendation is contingent on you already knowing which learning management system you are going to have your course live in. Now, if you have no idea which learning management system you want your course to live in, go check out our masterclass first and then come back to this video. We tell you our 4 favorite LMSs in that masterclass, and we break down why, when, and how to use them and get the most out of them. We talk about a bunch of other stuff in the masterclass too. The 3 pillars of e-learning, right? Content, technology, distribution. But once you actually know, you should take advantage of LMS expert networks. Now, our favorite LMS and the LMS that we have our course eLearning Simplified Academy in is called Kajabi.
Kajabi.
And Kajabi has a phenomenal expert network. Another one that we really like is LearnWorlds.
Now, all of them don't have experts network, so you have to look and do research to see, does the LMS that you're utilizing have an experts network? But here's the thing, from our experience, not just as users of Kajabi, but as experts of the Kajabi Expert Network.
We are Kajabi experts.
It is incredible. So as you are looking for that LMS maybe that you need to sign up for, again, we have our 30-day free trial in the link below for Kajabi. We also have our 30-day free trial of LearnWords linked below. It is great not only to have the best LMSs, but also a whole expert network to help you with any sort of challenge you have.
And Kajabi and LearnWorlds are both LMSs used for external e-learning purposes. What does that mean? That means that they're meant to sell courses.
Oh, okay? Right.
And if you want to know if you're selling courses, if Kajabi or LearnWorlds, which one of them is best for you, go check out this video right here. We have 2 videos where we compare Kajabi and LearnWorlds. One of them is the 3-minute version. The other one is the longer version of the antics from Hector and I. But LMS Expert Networks has a network of experts on these LMSs that can help you build your courses. The next one is your network. So open up LinkedIn and see who in your network is available to help you with e-learning. Or better yet, go ask someone. Go ask your best strategic partner. Okay? Go be like, yo, you know anyone?
Absolutely. The third thing is you want to research companies on Google and YouTube. Research.
And this is really important, actually. Okay? So if you are going to work with a company to help you build your e-learning program, especially if you're looking to build an e-learning program or online course to sell, and you start doing some Google and YouTube research, and they don't have a very good reputation on Google or YouTube. And this doesn't mean that they have like 2-star reviews and stuff. Well, if they do have 2-star reviews and stuff, maybe you should be a little worried if their average reviews are very low. But what we mean is they should probably have a good digital footprint, especially because if you're going to hire someone to help you build a course and actually have them help you sell it and like teach you how to do that, then they should probably be selling their own course. They should probably have a great online reputation that helps them sell their course. They should probably have a decent sized YouTube following.
Speech.
So you want to research the companies. Probably you want to research these LMS experts from the LMS Expert Network on Google as well. And then number 4, we love number 4 because we have assembled an amazing team of our own using services like Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork has a combination of really, really, really talented businesses and individuals. And it has a lot of trolls out there as well, okay? So you gotta embrace the 80-20 rule, but actually you should probably embrace the 64-4 rule. So you wanna embrace the 80-20 rule, or even better, the 64-4 rule. Well, what does this mean? This means that 20% of the people on Fiverr and Upwork and these other this applies to all of these, but really when you're looking at Fiverr and Upwork, because if you're looking at Fiverr and Upwork, you may just feel like, I'm just gonna go with the first person. It's like, no, you have to talk to a lot of people and you need to filter through them to find the best. Now, 20% are at the very best average, okay? And the other 80% are not worth working with. Now, to take this even further, and this is where our team falls into, there's the 64-4 rule, okay? So 4%, these are the top people, okay? 4%, so this is 20% of the 20. The top 20% of the 20 is what you wanna actually work with, okay? And then the 64, these are just not worth working with. These are like bad. Okay, 64% of the people out there on Fiverr and Upwork just aren't worth working with. 4%, these are the top people. And if you want to take this even further, this is what we did. We work with the top 1%, okay? You want to find the top 1%. In order to find the top 1%, you're going to have to talk to a lot of people. You may have to talk to 50 different organizations, 100. You're going to have to cipher through a ton of people to find the best. But it is worth it in the end.
Now, there's one more on here, team, and it's a bonus because everybody likes a bonus. And you know what that bonus is? If you're trying to outsource course creation because you're trying to make premium e-learning videos with premium Lightboard or premium green screen, you got e-learning partners, everybody. Give us a call because we love you and we want to help you. E-learning partners. And
no, seriously,
plus,
check us out.
we have a free gift for you if you're trying to create an online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process, and you want to see successful results. That's why we have this free gift for you. It is a MasterClass link below. Go check it out.
Thank you for the likes and subscribes.